Every morning, you pick up a toothbrush and clean your teeth without even thinking. But have you ever stopped and asked, what did people use before toothbrushes existed? Because the truth is, it wasn't clean, it wasn't comfortable, and sometimes it was even disgusting. Today, brushing your teeth is simple. You have a toothbrush, you have toothpaste, and in just 2 minutes, you're done. But thousands of years ago, things were very different. No toothpaste, no soft brushes, no fresh minty feeling. And yet, people still tried to keep their teeth clean. So how did this simple daily habit begin? The story begins over 5,000 years ago. Back then, there was no such thing as a toothbrush. Instead, people used something called a chew stick. It was just a small piece of wood. People would take a twig, chew one end until it became soft and frayed, and then use it to clean their teeth. It was simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. These chew sticks were used in many places, like ancient Egypt, India, and China. Even today, in some parts of the world, people still use them. Now, imagine cleaning your teeth without toothpaste. So what did people use? The answer might surprise you. They used crushed bones, eggshell powder, salt, and even ash from a fire. Yes, ash. These materials helped remove dirt and food particles, but they were very rough on teeth. Brushing back then wasn't about comfort, it was about survival. Around the 1400s, something changed. In China, the first real toothbrush was invented. It looked closer to what we use today, but there was one big difference. The bristles were made from animal hair, mostly from pigs. These hairs were attached to a handle made of bamboo or bone. But there was a problem. Pig hair was very hard, so brushing your teeth was not only uncomfortable, it could even hurt your gums. Still, it was a big step forward. As time went, this idea spread to other parts of the world. When it reached Europe, people didn't like it much. The brushes were too rough, so they tried using softer animal hair, like horsehair. But even then, brushing teeth was not common. In fact, many people simply didn't brush at all. Tooth problems, bad breath, and infections were very common because people didn't fully understand how important oral hygiene was. Everything started to change in the 1800s. A man named William Addis created one of the first mass-produced toothbrushes. His design was simple but effective, and for the first time, toothbrushes became more widely available. But the biggest change came later, in the 1900s. Scientists invented nylon. This changed everything. Instead of animal hair, now toothbrushes had soft, synthetic bristles. They were cleaner, safer, and much more comfortable. And this is the toothbrush we recognize today. Today, toothbrushes are more advanced than ever. We have electric toothbrushes, smart toothbrushes, even brushes that connect to your phone. Some can track how long you brush and tell you if you're doing it correctly. From a simple stick to smart technology, the toothbrush has come a long way. But here's something interesting. Even with all this technology, many people still don't brush properly. Some skip brushing completely, which means after thousands of years of improvement, we still struggle with the same basic habit. From chewing sticks to pig hair brushes to modern smart devices, the toothbrush is a perfect example of how simple things evolve over time. So the next time you brush your teeth, take a second to think about it. You're using something that took thousands of years to perfect. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more stories about the history of simple, everyday things. And comment below if you have any topics you want me to explore next, because there are a lot of things in this world which everyone should know.